Okay, so I just came in the hotel. All right, so that's the living room area. And there's a TV. Oh my God, I love this place. There's my other phone. Here's the bathroom. Right there. There's the toilet. Okay. And then here's the second bathroom. Wow, I'm just so impressed. And the modernized sink. Okay, and here's the bed. Wow, look at that bed. I am just so impressed. There's the second TV. Wow, this is so gorgeous. And it's clean, And here's the star of the show. Get my own patio. Right here. And there's the bay. That is so beautiful. So beautiful. Wow. This is really so